Hello and welcome. So in today's video, I am going to share with you how I put some of my what I call like digital hybrid cards together. So, but first let me introduce myself. My name is Candace. I am the owner of Royally Made Boutique. I like to make and design handmade cards. I also do party favors such as not custom, but personalized chip bags, candy packages, juice boxes. Let me show you guys a couple of them so you know what I'm talking about. So this is one that I did for a client. And then here's one that I was just practicing on. I do sell now, right now because of work and stuff, I only sell the digital. I may get back into actually selling do the print and ship or and assemble and stuff, but right now I'm just doing the digital stuff just until I get things straight with work. But here are some of my greeting cards. So these are the ones that I was talking about. So these ones, I do like using different programs. I get different stock images, or I put the digital items together. But this one was a card that I found, and I just resized it down so I can make it into a smaller version. And this one I just printed on regular cardstock, and then I just added it to my own base. Okay, so that's one version, and these go for $3. And then here goes another one where I used glossy photo paper because of the imagery, I felt that it needed that. And so this is another version where I just took the image. I did redo the sentiment in a different font and stuck it to a card base. And then these are the ones that I hand stamp and hand colored, or I inked the background. So these go for like $4.25 because I had to do more work for those. And so these are just some of the examples of the things you're going to start seeing in my shop. These ones are actually not going in there. I was just playing around with those ones. There goes another one. And then I'm also going to have some that are where you could buy four for, I think I said four for $12. So these are thank you notes that you can get. So if you have your own business, you can pick those up and send thank you notes to your clients. And so this one I'm sharing with you. So this one I actually had to put together, but I was inspired by another card that I found. And then I just found my own images and worked it through Photoshop to come up with this. So what I do with this one, so I have a couple of different trimmers. I like to use my Fiskars trimmers when I'm using this one, just because there's a guide on here so I can see exactly where I'm cutting, because I already have this to what size it should be. And I'll just start cutting down. Then I try to make sure that I am looking at that I have a clean edge. And I think this one may be a little, okay, because I'm wondering if I size this correctly. And then, so, because one of the things that I was having issues with was I'm still trying to figure out how to do it where I can print and cut it. I think I figured out what I'm going to have to do. I was just trying to avoid going that route. but I will figure it out. So here, what I want to do, just because my trimmer needs to be, I need to get a new blade. You just sand down those corners just so you can have nice edges. Okay. So then what I did was I already have some of my stuff pre-cut. So we're gonna go ahead. So this is gonna be my card base. This is gonna be a layer for that, and then this is gonna be for the inside where you can leave your message. Okay. So this is just another option for handmade cards. It's kind of like repurposing digital cards, but this one I actually made. But some other ones are like just repurposing them. And I actually have a scoring too, but I grabbed this, so it would be okay. So then I want to make sure that I cut this down correctly. Okay, and this would be great for doing some masculine thank you cards. So everything doesn't have to be, you know, girly. Make sure I got this. Okay. Look at it, make sure I got it straight. Now, before I put it on here, I'm just going to go ahead and use my liquid glue for that. Because liquid glue goes a long way. And it also allows you to, it gives you that little bit of wiggle room to position things right. Okay. Okay, so then on the inside, because this is dark, we're just going to add a little piece right here so then you can write your note. And there you go. So I just wanted to share with you some of the process and how I especially use my digital elements in my card making. So thank you. Bye-bye.